tried our level best to keep the best learning in our country, in the tourism and hospitality management, in this industry especially.
Blood is circulated from this place to that place in the whole body. I think that is not true at the moment. You should be courageous to face the interview and to face the defense. So I like to boost up you, so don't be nervous.
The specific objectives, the first one is the describe the overview of High Command Fort, and the second one is to highlight the operational activities in executive floor.
Complete some information to the create the account and check into the room and send to the room. We send the guest to the room by our bell desk agent.
My name is Tanjim Batin. Currently, I am working as a training assistant at the Sheraton Dhaka Hotel. I used to be a student of Tourism and Hospitality Management Department of Daffodil International University.
I completed my SSC from Dinajpur Jila School and my HSC from B section Munshi Abdul Rauf Public College, and completed my academic graduation from Daffodil International University.
What's your core responsibility as a sales executive in the Bengal Group?
I was in floor in charge. Basically, I worked as a counter manager, counter in charge.
The sessions what we have, final presentations, and following there is interview for the internship and job. And it's also a great feeling for a teacher when I seen my student are working this to party, and that is our final destination as a faculty to make them their career in the right area. And this is our regular process, and we feel proud for that.
I am working with in Dusai. That's why they told me that they will call me if the opportunity create there, and finally I asked for visiting card and they gave me.
ভালো একটা অপরচুনিটি ছিল আমরা যারা এখনো ইন্ডাস্ট্রির সাথে যুক্ত হতে পারিনি, আমাদের ইন্টার্নশিপ কমপ্লিট করার পরে এটা খুবই ভালো একটা ফিডব্যাক ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে.
This is one of the best opportunity for our students and for me to learn more new thing, and it is also a big opportunity to develop a professional career and to conduct our study and everything to develop more and more.
I am Mutaleb, Cluster Director of HR of the Western Dhaka and Sheraton Dhaka. It's a great honor for the invitation from the Daffodil University, and we really thank the management of the university for inviting us here. Actually, I was really surprising the premises, especially the whole campus. We have great talent from Daffodil University, that is Tanjim, who has been working as a training assistant with me, and I have another great talent from Daffodil University who is Mahbub Sharif, who has been working as Human Resources Coordinator in the Western Dhaka.
The way I see the university and its campus, it looks like a tourism resort. And I would also like to say that maybe it is not the university when it becomes a destination. If you would let the people in the country know about these beautiful campuses, its features, its location, and the activity are taking place in this location, I think people would love to come here and visit.
This is me, Saiful Alam. I am the Cluster Sales Manager for the Western Dhaka and Sheraton Dhaka. Well, to be very honest, I would like to say today here, when you came here and we have the opportunity to roam around this entire campus, it was absolutely beautiful. And yes, there is a highly potential to growth for the resort development and other facilities. Already the management are planning to do so. And adding with that, yes, we have also the opportunity to be a part of the session where the students have delivered their practicum presentation. I have seen the potentiality. It's not only the potential, it's a high potentiality here. The student has delivered their outcome for their inter semester, and they have worked certain projects which has make some remarkable points that we should know and we should also encourage them.
We feel proud to have Dhaka Sheraton and Dhaka Westin with us at this premises, Daffodil Smart City, Australia Daffodil University. And we also feel proud to have them with our students. Our students, it's an opportunity, great opportunity for our students to meet with the industry leaders who are really the expert in this sector, in the sector of tourism and hospitality management. So our words, our slogan, the care for your country could be your career, is going to happen with our students for their future.